I became an insurance analyst, I think this is like a natural fit for me. So prior to the research analyst, I worked both as a financial accounting firm and also from one of a reinsurance company. So I think like working as a research analyst, I can leverage my knowledge from the insurance industry and also from the financial auditings. As a research analyst, I think the most exciting things is that you can talk to some of the company, talk to the management in a relatively like your early stage of your career. I think that's the most exciting part of the job, because when you're talking to them, you can also learn a lot from them as well. Not just about the industry itself, but also about how the company is working and how they're creating the values inside the companies. I think this is the most exciting part of my job, where I can talk to very senior people. I think to many people, insurance is kind of a boring sector because it involves a lot of the technical things, the actuarial knowledge, and also you are dealing with lots of numbers. Rather than if you cover other sectors, then you can see something real in your work. But insurance, like insurance policy, so it seems like it's a kind of a boring thing. But I think on the other hand, the most exciting part of this job is that if you look at the penetration in China and also how many people we have, because I'm covering the China insurance sector, 1.4 billion people, and still lack of the coverage of the basic pension and also the insurance coverage. This also means like a huge growth opportunity in the future. So I think I'm very lucky to be an insurance analyst where I can see the tremendous growth in China for the next 10 or 20 years in the insurance space. And I think I'm the one who can observe such a trend. I think that's the most exciting part of my job as well. In terms of the growth, we continue to see a very strong growth in the China life insurance sector. I think because of the penetration and also the huge demand for the insurance and protection going forward in China. But also on the other hand, we see a lot of the headwinds to the sector in terms of the macro headwinds as well. For example, the falling yield. If you look at the interest rate, it continues to fall in China, which create a lot of the headwinds to the insurance sector in terms of the reserve, which is a liability item for them, and also from a reinvestment side, it makes the investment more and more difficult, which has become like a major concern for the insurance sector. However, I think overall we're still very positive in terms of the growth, and when we pick the stock, and then we still try to find the stocks, some of the insurance company which can capture like the tremendous growth opportunity, while we try to minimize the risk from the micro headwinds. One of the jobs I would like to do is to maybe I'll become like a TV host, and which one I'm so enjoy about today's show is makes me like to put on the stage and then put you on the spot, and then you can also talk to like different peoples and like become a TV host. It's also give you an opportunity to meet different peoples, understand about their life, and then put yourself on the TV, which I think is very interesting.